Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can remove YouTube community guideline warning. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube. So once you open YouTube, you simply need to select your channel on which you receive a YouTube community guideline warning. So I'm going to select this channel for example. Okay. So once I am on this channel, so click on your channel picture, click on YouTube Studio. And once you are here you can see active community guideline strike warning. So it is a warning, so you simply need to click on that. So once you click on that, here you can see the option of take action. Click on that. So here you can see the issue, then you simply need to click on begin review. So in review you simply need to watch the video and see what is the issue. Then you simply need to click on next, and here you can see our take training. So you simply need to click on that and you simply need to take the training. Click on next, and after that you uh, check that if is it a violation or not. And once you complete that steps, you simply need to click on submit, and after that your community guideline warning will be removed from your YouTube channel. So this is the process by which you can remove your YouTube community guideline warning. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.